Hey everyone, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I found a nice biking trail on basically a rail trail and out in Columbia, Pennsylvania. It's the Columbia River Crossings Rail Trail, and I'm gonna start at Columbia's River Crossings and bike up to Marietta. It's about 4 miles. It features a lot of stuff, you know, views of the river, a lot of foresty area, the bottom of Chickies Rock, and also an old railroad tunnel. So we're gonna film that today and the trek up through there, and then see where we end up for sure, and we'll go from there. All right, here we are. We'll get on the trail and check it out. elevated railroad piers. All right, we're almost 3 miles in. Gonna keep going for a little over a mile yet. And got a little bit of stretch to go yet, so stay tuned. We're at the point I wanted to get to, not quite 4 miles. But here is Marietta. Marietta Boat Club. All right, I won't bore you with the trip back, so I'll just see you back at Columbia Crossing. All right, we are back. Hope you enjoyed. As you can see, it's a really nice rail trail, paved the whole way, a lot of shade, plenty of things to see, and including I neglected to show the Henry Clay iron furnace ruins, and there's one other set of ruins along there that I'm not even sure what they are, but hopefully you get an idea of what it's like and you can come down and try it for yourself. All right, take care.